Hey y'all, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home. I thought I would give you this little but big Walmart grocery haul pickup. I have never been so mad. I cannot believe I paid the price I paid. $62 for just this little bit. $62. And there's one thing that is the most outrageous I've ever seen it in my life, and I will never pay that price for anything. And that is these fish fillets. Look. They had like 5, maybe 6 in here. I'm not even opening them because I'm sending them back, because I know the last time I bought these, they were like $6, $7, something like that. These are $12.44 for like 5 tiny fish fillets. I refuse. They're going back to the store. I will not pay that price. This is insane. No, no, no. So moving on, but that, oh, I cannot believe I paid that much for that. I thought it was more in there than that. I bought them before, but I thought this was a bigger pack or something, but I will not pay that much. I will try somewhere else to get some fish, but I will not pay that much. That's like mafia prices. No, not buying it. So let's just move on, but oh, I was so mad. I got some corn tortillas, some water. I got a half loin pork roast. I got some ground beef. That was $8.80, which is crazy, and that's like $11. It's just insane. But I'm going to go through my freezer and only use the meat from my freezer this month. I'm not buying anything else, but I don't have anything but chuck roasts, pork roasts, and what else was it? Chicken. That's all I have in there, so I wanted to at least add a couple things so it wouldn't be too bad this whole month. But I didn't have any hamburger and I didn't have any pork, so I wanted to get those 2 things. And I wanted some fish, but I will not buy that, no. So coming up this month, you'll see a bunch of stuff, a bunch of meat from my freezer, trying to use that in the vegetables so I can move that out and have some room for my garden. I got water right here. I got some bread. I got some vitamin D that I'm low on, so I always have to buy that. Lettuce, some eggs, so I can make like some breakfast, and also like make some hard-boiled eggs and some egg salad and things like that. This was $62. I am still in shock over that price and that fish. It was just crazy. I cannot believe that I paid almost $13 for those little tiny fish fillets. So still upset about it. But that is my small haul for this month. Hopefully it'll be for this month. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to go for some fruits and vegetables and things like that, but I'm gonna try and stick to whole foods this month. No convenience foods and things like that. So I don't really want to make some corn tortillas, or I'm gonna work on making my own bread but for right now, I've got lettuce in the garden, but it's not ready yet. So I'm gonna try and incorporate more whole foods this month and try and exercise a little bit more. So this is my high but low grocery haul. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.